Welcome to Biomagic. Today's topic we will discuss about a special disease that is atherosclerosis. Now what it is? It is nothing but related to heart, that is, if the amount of cholesterol increases in your food, it has a tendency to get deposited inside the wall of arteries. That means this disease is related to something, pumping of blood related to arteries related to heart, right? So if the amount of cholesterol is more, there is a tendency of cholesterol get deposited on the walls of arteries, so that will make the arteries narrow. So you can see the picture of arteries, the diagrams of arteries. You can see this is the normal artery where the blood is freely flowing, right? That means the surface area you can see. But here you can see the deposition, this area, that is plaque, the deposition, right? Here the blood flow is abnormal. That means a proper flow of blood is not happening. What are the effects of atherosclerosis? So first effect, the cavity of arteries get narrower. So that is the first thing, that will result in the flow of blood get reduced because there is blockage, there will be blockage. So walls of arteries become rigid because as the thickness increases it becomes hard, so there will be no flexibility, and this condition is known as arteriosclerosis. Blood pressure increases, and that is hypertension, because the heart will pump more blood because blood is not flowing, so blockage is there. So every part will have the tendency to get more blood, so heart will pump with high pressure. Okay, so that result in greater force to pump the blood, so heart requires greater force to pump the blood. Now you can have the diagram. This is the diagram of, these are two diagrams of arteries as I have shown earlier. This is a normal artery which is healthy, and this artery you can see on high amount of deposition. See, this is a deposition, that is plaque, right? So you can see how the flow of blood will happen here. Another diagram here. This is the normal artery where you can see the surface area. Normally the blood can flow easily, freely, right? And this is the surface field. Okay. Now here this is the atherosclerosis artery. That means deposition of cholesterol fat going on, that is plaque going on, so abnormal, the blood cannot flow freely, so resulting in heart to have the greater pumping capacity, greater pressure to pump the blood, right? So blood pressure increases. This is the cross section. You can have, see how the then you can compare how the disease will result in the arteries, right? So avoid the food which have cholesterol, fatty food, avoid it and be healthy. So thank you for watching.